service calls with NorCal Refrigeration. Got this fridge, it's not working. Asked me, I guess the beverage company gave it to him. He wants to see if I can get it working for him. Nothing special. Looks like it just has a mechanical thermostat up there. Evaporator fan, 8.8 ounces at 134A. I don't know who makes this fridge. Might tell us on there somewhere. Innovative Display Works. There it is. All right, not much to it. Tiny little guy. What the heck? Let's plug it in and see what happens. Looks like there might be an on-off switch right here. Oh, the door switch for the lights. All right, let's see what happens. Condenser fan's running. I don't hear the compressor running though. It does have a defrost timer. Right there that I see. It's worked, it's all lit up. See if the evap fan's running. We got the evaporator fan motors running. See if we'll get the back off of that thing and maybe that compressor is running, we'll have to see. Get it unplugged. I noticed the condenser is pretty dirty. You can see back there. The condenser fan was running, but not the compressor. So I got my meter set up to tone out, and I noticed the overload's open. Right there, you see that? Overload is open. So what I'm gonna do is, I'll get a 3-in-1 start kit on here, see if we can get the compressor to fire off. If it does and it works, then we'll get that condenser cleaned out. So let me go grab one off the truck real quick. There, plugged it in and it tripped the breaker. So I didn't check the compressor to ground. This thing's unplugged, so let's do that real quick. Did not check that. Almost done. How you doing tonight?
Me too. I'm almost done too.
Friday night. What else is there to do but work? Shorted the ground. I probably should have checked that before. Let me get the grabbers on here and I'll show you guys. Just grab any lead, go to ground, tone it out. She's a goner. Wrap on that one. I'm gonna get him a price. That compressor's so tiny. This fridge is cool, man. I'm gonna try and fix it for him. Get a price on that compressor and a dryer. It can't be that much money. We'll see if we can fix this thing for him. It got killed because the condenser got dirty and killed the compressor. So see if we can back blow that cap tube. Worst case scenario, a cap tube, a compressor, and a dryer. Probably get this thing back online for him. All right, like, subscribe. We'll check you on the next one. All right, you open it up, that's what it looks like. A couple oil containers right off the bat. Some instructions. Feel peace of mind when your tools work as hard as you do. Some styrofoam packing, let's cut it cool. Then there it is, the star of the show. That'll pop out of the box like that. Got some styrofoam in there. Get that plastic off. Take the oil, pour it in the fill. Make sure the ball valve's closed inside your little door there. Put the cap on the cap holder. And then this is just gonna sit there for when it's time to change your oil. Other than that, you just run it like a regular vacuum pump. There's a ballast switch in the back here with a little LED. And then you got your tree. The tree's real nice.